Drones have become more useful and fun over the years, whether you're into photography, travel, or just flying for fun. But not all drones are worth what you pay for. That's why I have listed the best 5 drones that give you good value for your money. Each one has features that stand out without being too hard to use or too expensive. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2. This is our best compact all-rounder, offering impressive specs in a small, sub-249G package. It's designed with beginners in mind, but don't mistake it for a basic model. The drone features a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor for detailed 48MP photos and 4K per 30 frames per second HDR video, all stabilized with a 3-axis gimbal. This shines with AI-powered tracking and night shooting capabilities, making it ideal for various creative tasks. Its advanced PixSync 4.0 transmission system allows up to 10 km control range with 1080p live feed, reducing lag and signal issues. New video modes like dolly zoom, slow motion, and quick shots give you the tools to make cinematic content easily. With smart transfer at up to 25 megabytes per second, sharing your footage to social media is a breeze. For flight safety and simplicity, it includes GNSS positioning, cruise control, auto takeoff/landing, and smart RH. Finally, its Fly More combo gives you 3 batteries, each charging in just 1.3 hours, delivering 96 minutes of total flight time. For those wanting a reliable, portable drone that balances features and ease of use, this is a standout choice. Number 4. DJI Air X1 Pro. This takes the spot as the best for action and sport. It's built specifically for capturing fast-paced adventures like cycling, skiing, or hiking. With a lightweight, foldable, and fully enclosed design, it's easy to carry and safe to use, even in challenging conditions. The aerospace-grade propeller guards ensure durability without adding weight. It records 4K at 60 FPS video and 2.7K at 60 FPS vertical video, supported by a 2-axis gimbal, GIS, and horizon leveling. This means smoother, cinema-quality action shots. No controller or smartphone is needed, just a click or voice command launches the drone from your hand, making it totally hands-free. Its omni-terrain system allows it to fly across snow, water, and rough terrain with ease, and over 10 automated flight modes, including hover, dolly track, and follow, offer cinematic flexibility. It even features rear active collision detection, using time-of-flight sensors to avoid obstacles while tracking subjects at high speed. If you're an adventurer who wants stunning, effortless footage on the go, this is the drone for you. Number 3. Holy Stone HS600D. This one claims the title of best for long range, boasting a whopping 20,000-foot transmission range. Designed for adults and serious hobbyists, this drone combines advanced technology with ease of use. It features an 8K image resolution, a 48MP still camera, and 4K per 30 frames per second video capture, all powered by a Sony 1/2.3 CMOS sensor with EIS and a 3-axis brushless gimbal. This comes equipped with dual batteries, delivering a total flight time of up to 80 minutes, making it ideal for extended photography sessions or exploration. It's also FAA compliant, with built-in remote ID, ensuring legal and safe operation out of the box. For added creativity, it includes vertical screen recording, time-lapse photography, and intelligent GPS modes like auto return, follow me, and orbit. Even beginners can fly this drone confidently thanks to features like one-key ascent, auto return, and a stable GPS lock. Whether you're shooting landscapes or cityscapes, this drone keeps your footage sharp and stable, even from miles away. Number 2. Rooko U1 Mini. If you're looking for a high-performance drone without spending a fortune, this is the best budget performer. Weighing just 248 grams, it falls under FAA regulations, making it travel-ready with no registration required. But don't let its compact size fool you. It's packed with professional-grade features typically found in more expensive models. This drone captures 8K photos and 4K per 30 frames per second videos using a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, and its 3-axis brushless gimbal with EIS stabilization ensures super smooth footage. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, the U11 Mini simplifies flying with features like AI-assisted takeoff and landing, triple auto-return modes, and intelligent GPS tracking. It also stands out with an impressive 96-minute total flight time, thanks to its 3 included batteries. The RK 3.0 Smart Charge system allows all batteries to charge simultaneously, making it easy to stay powered up. Add in a massive 20,000-foot digital transmission range and an intuitive app, and you get a reliable, beginner-friendly drone with serious capabilities, perfect for those who want solid performance without breaking the bank. Number 1. DJI Flip. This one earns the title of Best Overall for good reason. Designed with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures detailed 48MP photos and shoots 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, making it perfect for both scenic landscapes and personal moments. The video clarity is exceptional, especially during golden hour shots like sunrises and sunsets. Built with safety in mind, it comes equipped with full coverage propeller guards made from lightweight carbon fiber, giving users peace of mind during flights. Despite its high-end features, it remains regulation-friendly, weighing under 249 g, so there's no FAA registration or remote ID needed in the US. Its compactness and lightweight design make it ideal for travel and on-the-go filming. For creators and enthusiasts who want intelligent features, the Flip offers subject tracking that keeps people or objects in the center of the frame without needing manual control, essentially acting like your personal camera operator. With a 31-minute max flight time and a bundle that includes 3 batteries, an RC2 remote controller, and a parallel charging hub, the DJI Flip ensures longer shooting sessions without interruption. If you want a well-rounded, premium experience in a portable format, this is your best bet. Whether you're into aerial photography, exploring new perspectives, or just having fun flying, these top 5 drones truly give you great value for your money. Each one brings something unique to the table, making them solid picks for beginners and experienced flyers alike. To grab the best deals on all the drones mentioned, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drone fans, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.